amazing family, welcome once again to the Dero Family YouTube channel. Today we are going to make chicken crispy, so let's get started. These are our things needed for the recipe: ginger powder, garlic powder, salt, chicken spices, paprika powder. Remember to use any spices of your choice. 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of flour, and chicken thighs. Remember to check my description button for the ingredients. We will start by adding our ingredients to our chicken and preserve it for 5 minutes to allow the chicken to marinate. We will then add our milk and our 2 eggs and mix them together and set it aside. We will start adding our corn flour and our normal flour with our chicken spices and also mix them together. Chicken is well marinated. We will put them in our mixed milk and egg. Then we will dip it in the flour for some minutes. And we will start frying our chicken. So please follow the process until everything is done. Now we have set our oil on fire. We will start frying our chicken. It is very simple and easy. Now our chicken is done. You can serve it with anything of your choice. For me, I am serving it with my homemade ketchup. Yeah, very tasty and delicious. Hope you try this at home. See you next time in my video. Bye bye.